Can you all see the screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhu. That's your song.
Do you remember this meter? Who remembers?
I think I do, Mataji.
Okay, go ahead, Vicky.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori. Is that right, Mataji?
Yes, you're close. Go ahead, sing both.
Swaparshada Swiyadhama Saha Avatari.
Yes, correct. Correct, Vicky. Exactly. Who wants to sing the second one? Anyone remembers?
Krishna Chaitanya go.
Yes, Krishna Chaitanya.
Natyanta durlabha prema koribara dana shikaya sharanagati bhakatera prana.
Very good. Hare Krishna, Hasini.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
After a long time. Nice to see you. Okay.
Exams are going on for me, so yesterday only exams are over.
Oh, okay. Nice. Good to see you after a long time. Anyone else wants to sing?
Can I try?
Yes, go ahead.
We
We did not learn. This we did not do so far. Yeah, I will tell the tune.
Okay, I can try the first one.
Okay, go ahead.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori Swaprasad Sviya Dhama Sahavatari.
Very nice. That meter is also very good. It's like the other song, right? Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Anyone else remembers the meter which we learned last time? Anyone wants to sing? Okay, so shall I sing? You all want to repeat? Okay. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori.
So Krishna Chaitanya and Vikhyat, yes, you are correct with that meter which we learned last time. Swaparshada Swiyadhama Sahavatari.
Swaparshada Swiyadhama Sahavatari.
Atyanta Durlabha Prema Kori Bare Dana.
Atyanta Durlabha Prema Kori Bare Dana.
Shikhaya Sharanagati Bhakatera Prana.
Shikhaya Sharanagati Bhakatera Prana.
Very good. Anyone wants to sing now? Who wants to go? Hasini, you got it now? This is a little different meter for this song.
But can you tell again?
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori. You all can sing if you want.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu
Jive Daya Kori.
Swaparshada Swiyadhama Sahavatari.
Swapasha Swiyadhama Sahavatari.
Got it?
Yes.
Who wants to sing? The second.
Can I try again?
Yes, Hasini.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jivedoya Puri Vapada Sriyadha Sadavatari.
Yes, very nice. And as in how we practice, we will get better and better and better, because the same tune we are going to repeat for all these verses or these stanzas.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Sai Vedas, do you want to go? You are there on both two accounts.
Not only that one.
Huh?
Yes, possibly I can say.
Go ahead.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jivadaya Kori
Very good.
Varashadaspiya Dava Savatari.
Very good. Very nice, Sai Vedas. Now you logged in from different system, from another laptop, right, Sai Vedas? Because today
Yeah, is it clear, Mataji?
it's very clear.
Clear? Okay.
Yes.
1 second.
Who else wants to go? Hare Krishna Adi.
Okay, Krishna ji, can you go?
Okay, go with the second one. Which one you sang before?
Yes, second one I sang before.
Yeah, whichever you want, go ahead.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jivedhoya Kori Swapashada Suyadama Sahavatari.
Very good. Very nice. Who wants to go now? Or shall we move to the third one? Because we completed these two last time, right? So I just thought of practicing first. If anyone still wants to go, please go. Otherwise, we'll move to the third one. We'll read the translation of the third and fourth. The translation is given together for third and fourth. Who wants to read?
I can read Mataji.
Go ahead. Yeah.
The ways of Sharanagati are humility, dedication of the self, acceptance of the Lord as one's only maintainer, faith that Krishna. Could you scroll over, Mataji?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Faith that Krishna will surely protect, execution of those acts favorable to pure devotion, and renunciation of conduct adverse to pure devotion.
Yes. What is Saranagati? What are the ways? Those are given here, which we discussed last time, right? Humility, dedication of the self, acceptance of the Lord as one's only maintainer, faith that Krishna will surely protect, execution of the activities which are favorable to devotion, and renunciation of activities those are not favorable or adverse to pure devotion. So those are given here. The ways of Sharanagati are given in verse 3 and 4. I mean stanza 3 and 4. So please repeat. Dainya Atma Nivedana.
Dainya Atmanivedana.
Dainya Atma Nivedana.
Dainya Atmanivedana.
Goptritve Varana.
Goptritve
Varana.
Goptritve Varana.
Gopritve Varana.
Everyone got this word, right? Everyone got this?
Yes, Mataji.
Goptritve.
Mataji, is it Gopritve?
Goptritve.
Gopritve.
Goptritve. Or you can say what? Say half. Goptritve Varana.
Okay.
Yes. Avashya Rakshibe Krishna.
Avashya Rakshibe Krishna.
Avashya Rakshibe Krishna.
Avashya Rakshube Krishna.
This you might have heard it, right? Avashya Rakshibe Krishna means what? Krishna will
always
definitely
like
protect.
protecting
Protect.
Krishna meaning protect.
Rakshibe means protect. Krishna will definitely protect. Vishwasa Palana.
Vishwasa Palana.
Vishwasa Palana. Vishwasa means
Palana.
Vishwasa means faith. Having faith
Faith.
that Krishna will definitely protect. So the same meter. Dainya Atma Nivedana Goptritve Varana.
Danya
Atma Nivedana Goptritve Varana.
Dainya Atma Nivedana Goptritve Varana.
Danyatma nivedana
Goptritva Varana.
Avashya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Avashya
Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Avashya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Avashya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Everyone got this one?
Yes.
Can you all sing one by one?
Then Krishna, can you go?
Yes, go ahead. All of you go one by one quickly, okay? Go ahead.
Danya Atma Nivedana Goptritva Varana. Avashya Rakshiba Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Can we get
Yes, we can. Go ahead.
Danya Atma Nivedana Goptritve Varana. Avashya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Very good. Who wants to go next? No?
Say
Yes, you can. Yes. I think when you are away, I cannot hear you. Little bit when you're coming closer, I can hear you clearly.
okay. Danya Atma Nivedana Goptritve Varana. Avashya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana. Hare
Can
Krishna.
you sing
Thank
this
you, Mataji.
again? The first one, can you sing again?
Danya Atma Nivedana
Atma Nivedana Gopitve Varana.
Danya Atma Nivedana Goptritve Varana.
Yes. Go ahead, second one also.
Avasya
Rakshibe
Rakshibe Krishna Avasya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Yes. Very good, Mukul.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Who wants to go next?
Mataji, can-
Hasini, yes, go ahead. Got it?
Danyatma nivedana gopitve varana. Avashya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Yes. Very nice, Hasini. Very good.
Mother Janvi want to do.
Yes, Janvi, go ahead.
Danyatma Nivedana
Gopitve Varana.
Goptratve Varana Avasya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Very nice, Janvi. Very good. Who wants to go next? Sai Vedanta. Oh, yes, Ramchandra. Go ahead.
Danya Atma Nivedana Gopatritva Varana Avasya Rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Can you say this word again? Ramchandra.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, Goptritva.
Goptritve Varana.
Okay.
Dainya Atma Nivedana Goptritve Varana. Okay. Very nice. Sang nicely. I couldn't see you because you have a Narsimha behind you, right? In the background.
Yeah.
You are completely camouflaged in that. Yes. So whenever you want to sing, just tell me, okay? Because I couldn't see you. Sai Vedas, Adi, who wants to go? Anyone else?
Bhakti, can I try?
Yes, Sai Vedas, go ahead.
Dhyana Atma Nivedana Gopitrevana Avaya Svalakasi Be Krishna Viswapalana.
Okay, you repeat, okay? Almost it's correct, but some words you have to squeeze in that.
Dhyana Atma Nivedana Gopitrevana.
Yes, you got this word correct. Avashya rakshibe Krishna Vishwasa Palana.
Amaya Sadaki Laki
Avashya rakshibe Krishna.
Amaya Laki Shebe Krishna.
Avashya, say avashya.
Avashya.
Avashya. So just say avashya, okay? Avashya rakshibe Krishna.
Avashya Shebe Krishna.
Vishwasa Palana.
Vishwasa Palana.
Very good. Got it. Who wants to sing? I think Matajis have joined, I think. Harita Mataji and Vrinda Gopika Mataji. Hare Krishna Matajis. Stand up front. Who is N? I don't know the name.
Mataji, it's me.
Oh, Neha Mataji. Okay. Dandat Pranav Mataji. Okay. Anyone else wants to try, or shall we move to the fourth one?
Fourth one.
Okay. Oh, we have already read the translation, right? So please repeat. Bhakti Anukula Matra.
Bhakti Anukula Matra.
Bhakti Anukula Matra.
Bhakti Anukula Matra.
Karyera Svikara.
Karyera Svikara.
Karyera Svikara. Bhakti Pratikula Bhava.
Bhakti Pratikula Bhava.
Bhakti Pratikula Bhava.
Bhakti Pratikula Bhava.
Varjanangikara.
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 Bhakti Anukula means what? Favorable to devotion. Kula is?
Mataji,
Yes.
it says Bhakti for the first one.
Yes. It should be Bhakti, right?
Oh.
Yeah. Bhakti Anukula. Right, Anjana Mataji? It should be Bhakti, right? Or this is how it is.
What Mataji?
This should be Bhakti, right?
Bhakti, yeah, okay. Bhakti Anukula. Okay, Bhakti Anukula is supposed to be Mataji.
Supposed to be Bhakti, right? I mean, I should not tell them something wrong. There is no such word of Bhakti, right?
Bhakti, yeah. Bhakti Anukula
Bhakti Anukula Matra, it should be, yes. So Bhakti Anukula means, yeah, good observation. Even I just read it like Bhakti. Now only I realized it's Bhakti. But it's Bhakti. Bhakti Anukula means favorable to devotion. Pratikula means non-favorable. So we have to svikara means accept those things which are favorable to devotion, and varjanangikara means leave or don't accept those which are unfavorable to bhakti. So it means that this fourth stanza. So we will sing this. Bhakti anukula matra karyera svikara.
Bhakti karyera svikara.
Bhakti anukula matra karyera svikara.
Bhakti anukula
Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Everyone got this one? Simple,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
right? Okay, so all you can sing one by one. Someone go first quickly.
I'll go, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Bhakti anukula matra karyera svikara. Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Very good. Next.
Krishna.
Okay, Hasini, go ahead. Who was Krishna Chaitanya? You go ahead. Go ahead, Hasini.
Okay. Bhakti anukula matra karyera svikara. Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Yes, very nice. Chaitanya, go ahead.
Bhakti anukula matra karyera svikara. Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
You just get it out like this one. Yeah, I saw.
Mukund, do you want to sing? You're unmuted.
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Bhakti Mataji, can you say the tune again?
Bhakti anukula matra karyera svikara.
Okay, Mataji. Bhakti anukula matra karyera svikara. Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Bhakti pratikula
Bhava varjanangikara. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Want to sing second line again?
Okay, Mataji. Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Who wants to go next? Go ahead, someone who did not sing. Sai Vedas, go ahead. I think Adi left because
Bhakti anukula matra kariye svikara.
so this
Bhakti
is the meter which you sang is for the second line. The first line, how it goes? Bhakti anukula matra karyera svikara. Can you repeat?
Bhakti anukula matra kariye svikara. Bhakti pratikula bhava varjanangikara.
Very clear. Got it. Anyone else wants to sing? Or we'll move to the fifth one. Mataji Janvi wanted to sing. Janvi, are you there? Do you want to sing? Okay. I think she's not there. We'll move to the fifth one.
Mataji, can Hasini read the translation?
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead, Hasini. Fifth one.
Okay. Fifth one.
Mm.
The youthful son of Nand Maharaj, Sri Krishna, hears the prayers of anyone who takes
Inhale. It's breaking, Hasini. Who takes refuge?
now.
Yeah, now I can hear it. Yes.
Refuge in him by the sixfold practice.
So what is that sixfold practice?
Of humility, dedication of the self, acceptance of Lord as his own.
Yes, which we just now read, right? I mean, before this humility and all this sixfold practice is called sixfold practice. What happens when we follow that practice? What happens?
Krishna hears our prayers.
Yes. So it's like we are taking refuge in of Krishna by practicing these sixfold practices. And then what happens? Krishna hears our prayers. Youthful son of Nanda Maharaj is given here. Description. Okay, please repeat. Shadanga Sharanagati.
Shadanga
Sharanagati.
Sadanga Sharanagati.
Shadanga Sharanagati.
Shadanga
Sharanagati.
This sha is different. This sha is different. You know that, right? So there are two shas. The two shas in Devanagari. The first sha is different. It is little sha. It's like whistle. Sha. The second one sha is complete sha. Okay. Shad anga sharanagati. Can you repeat?
Shadanga
Sharanagati.
Mataji, I didn't understand the difference between the two shas. So like, is the first shah like that? The one that has the dot below it, does it come like from deep in the mouth, or like how does?
Oh, it's like you don't have to press your mouth tightly. Sha, like this. Sha. No, it is like sha. It's like air goes a little bit out. Sha.
So it like it comes from deeper in the mouth, right?
Yes. Can you try?
Okay. Sure.
Sure, yes.
Okay.
So there is a gap between your mouth. And that gap air comes like this. And then it's sure. But the other sure, it's complete. Sure. Like press it tightly and say it strongly, like tightly. Okay.
Is this right, Mataji? Like so the one with the line above it is like sh.
Yes, that's correct.
And then
Sure.
and then the one with the dot is sh.
Yes. So that's why in Krishna also the sha is not this sha. We have this name Krishna. You saw this sha? It's sha. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. We see that, right? It's that sha. Okay.
Normal sha. Is it?
This is normal sha. I mean, for me, this is normal. If the sha is normal for you, then you call it normal. But there are two shas.
Okay. Okay.
But you got the difference little bit?
Yes, Mataji. Thank you.
Okay, very good. So, Shad Anga Sharanagati.
Shadanga
Sharanagati.
Hoibe Jahara.
Hoibe Jawara.
Hoibe Jahara.
Hoibe Jahara.
Tahara Prarthana Shune.
Tahara Prarthana
Tahara Prarthana Shune.
Tahara Prarthana Shune.
Srinanda Kumara.
Srinanda Kumara.
Srinanda Kumara.
Srinanda Kumara.
Srinanda Kumara.
Hare Krishna, Anshu, you joined. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Here again it's normal sha, right? Sha. Here also shune, sha. In Hindi we say sune, right? Sune means here. Because it's Bengali, it's shune. Bengali pronunciation is different, right?
Mataji, you know Bengali?
No. Only through the songs. Huh? Okay, so let's practice. Shadanga Sharanagati Hoibe Jahara. Shadanga Sharanagati Hoibe Jahara. Can you see the screen still?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
We can see Mataji.
We can't see anymore.
No, we can't see.
Can you see now?
We can see Mataji.
Yes.
You can see.
Tahara prarthana shune Shri Nanda Kumara. Tahara prarthana shune Shri Nanda Kumara. It says if we follow these 6 things, the ways of Sharanagati, Krishna will hear, he will listen to our prayers. Who wants to sing now? And we will stop here, then we'll move to the next. Who's that? Who wants to go first? Vikya,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Shadanga Sharanagati Hoibe Jahara. Ahara Prarthana Shune Srinanda Kumara.
Very good. Next, someone go ahead quickly.
Ramachandra.
Go ahead, Ramachandra.
Shadanga Sharanagati Hoibe Jahara. Tahara Prarthana Shune Srinanda Kumara.
Can Krishna?
Yes, go ahead.
Shadanga Sharanagati Hoibe Jahara Srinanda Kumara.
Very good. Hasini, you want to go?
Yes, Mataji.
You can Mukund go.
Yes, okay. Hasini and then Mukund.
Okay. Shadanga Sharanagati Hoibe Jahara. Tahara Pradhana Tune Srinanda Kumara.
Tahara Prarthana Shune. Can you see?
Tahara Pradhana Shune.
Come down like this.
Okay.
Tahara Prarthana Shune Srinanda Kumara.
Tahara Pradhana Shune Srinanda Kumara.
Yes, very nice. You can go ahead.
Yes, Mataji. Sharanga Sharanagati Hoibe Jahara. Tahara
Tahara Prarthana Shune
Tahara prarthana shune Srinanda Kumara. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Sai Vedas, do you want to sing? I think Anshu left already. Okay. Go ahead, Sai Vedas.
Number 5 right now. Sadanga sa. No.
Correct.
So what's the starting tune, Mataji?
Shadanga Sharanagat. Correct, you're singing correct.
Sadanga Sharanagati Hoibe Jahara Tara Partana Sune Srinanda Kumara
Mahara Prarthana Shune. Go ahead.
Tara Partana Sune Srinanda Kumara.
Very good. Everyone got a chance?
Janvi.
Janvi, yes. Yes. Janvi, go ahead. I was calling you, Janvi.
Ashna also understand.
Yes, Mati.
Saranga Sharanagati Hoibe Jara Tahara Pratana Sunanda Kumara.
Very nice. Thank you. So everyone got a chance? Yes? I don't know how much time we have. I think it's already 9. What should we do? Shall we practice from 11th here? Agre Karuna? You all remember?
Yes.
Yes, Hassin, I don't know if you were there for all this, but if you want to try, you can try, okay? Because
Mataji, I'm there for this.
you were there, okay, then you can take the beginning ones.
Okay, the 11th one.
11th, from 11th, we will practice until 15th. I think we finished until 15th, right? Or,
Yes, Mataji.
or 16th. Did we do the 16th one?
No, I don't think so, Mataji.
We finished the 15th one. Yeah, well, 16th.
Yeah, 16th we have not done, I think. Chaitanya, you are saying we have done with 16th. We are done. What is
Mataji,
We're done with 15.
15th, right? Yes.
15 finished.
We didn't do 16.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was thinking the same. So, like, we all can go one by one. From 11th, we will start. Because if we start from first, it will take time.
Mataji, can Mukund say?
Yes, go ahead. Or Hasini, you want to go first? Because I don't know if you know the remaining later ones. Do you know this? Do you know the 12th?
Kridantamantaravrajamantaman swam. Sorry. Kridantamantaravrajamatmanam swam. Shamam vayasyai pashupalabalai. Premnaya shoda prajuhava Krishna. Govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very good, Hasini. You got it. Go ahead for the 12th one, Mukund.
Mataji,
Mukund, go ahead. Yes.
Mataji. Yashodagatha Gadham Olokalena Gokam Tapashena Nibadhayamnam Rurodamandam Namanita Bhoji Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Very good. Who wants to go?
113.
Yes, who wants to go? Krishna Chaitanya, right?
Ramchandra.
Yes, Ramchandra, go ahead.
13, right?
Yes.
निजाङ्गने कङ्कणकेलिलोलं गोपी गृहीत्वा नवनीतगोलम् आमादयत्पानितले नेत्रे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very good, Ramachandra. Who wants to go 14?
I can go, Mataji.
Yes, we try.
गृहे गृहे गोपवधू कदम्भा सर्वे मिलित्वा समवाय योगे पुण्यानि नामानि पठानि नित्यं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Here we can.
Marti, can I say number 15?
Yes.
Ramale Vadanabhiramam Bimbadhare Pudita Venunadam Gopa Gopi Janamaja Samstam Govinda Damodara Madhaveshi.
Very good. Saiveda. Okay, so we will learn the 16th one and then we will start with the translation. What is the time? Okay, we have some 10 minutes. Read the translation.
I
16.
can, Mataji.
Go ahead, Vikya.
Rising early during the Brahma Muhurta and remembering the childish activities of the son of Yashoda Devi. Could you scroll over a little?
Oh, yes.
The gopis loudly sing while churning butter. Govinda Damodara Madhava.
Looking outside. Which color?
Oh, white. And there's a red thing on that.
Oh. It outside. And we will take it tomorrow. We'll give it tomorrow. Yes, sorry. So the translation says, rising early during the Brahma Muhurta and remembering the childish activities of the son of Yashoda Devi, the gopis who are singing these names here.
Gopis.
Gopis
Gopis.
loudly sing while churning butter. Govinda Damodara Madhava. At a time, early morning, like Brahma Muhurta,
Brahma Muhurta.
very early.
Brahma Muhurta.
Yes. So please repeat. Utthaya Gopyo.
Utthaya
Gopyo.
Utthaya Gopyo.
Utthaya Gopyo.
Pararatra Bhoge.
Pararatra Bhoge.
Pararatra Bhoge.
Pararatra Bhoge.
Vritva Yashoda.
Smritva
Yashoda.
Vritva Yashoda.
Smritva Yashoda.
Sutabalakelim.
Sutabalakelim.
Gayanti Prochair.
Gayanti Prochair.
Dadhi Manthayantyo.
Dadhimantayantyo.
Manthana means that they churn the butter, right? Churning. Dadhi Manthayantyo.
Dadhimantayantyo.
Govinda Damodara Madhavi.
Govinda Madhaveti.
So please repeat. Utthaya Gopyo Pararatra Bhoge.
Pararatra Bhoge.
Utthaya Gopyo Pararatra Bhoge. Vritva Yashoda Sutabalakelim.
Smritva Yashoda Sutabalakelim.
Vritva Yashoda Sutabalakelim.
स्मृत्वा
यशोदासुतबालकेलिं
गायन्ति प्रोच्चैर्दधिमन्थयन्त्यो
गायन्ति
गायन्ति प्रोच्चैर्दधिमन्थयन्त्यो
गायन्ति
गायन्त्यो
गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति Everyone got it? Want all sing one by one?
Yes.
Can I go, Matt?
Yes, go ahead.
उत्थाय गोप्य पररात्र भोगे स्मृत्वा यशोदा सुतबालकेलिं गायन्ति प्रोच्चैर्दधिमन्थयन्त्यो गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very good, Vikhyat. Who wants to go next?
Can Ramachandra
Yes, go ahead. Ramachandra and Krishna.
go? Utthaya gopyo pararatra bhoge स्मृत्वा यशोदा सुतबालकेलिं गायन्ति प्रोच्चैर्दधिमन्थयन्तो गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very good. Very good, Ramachandra. Go ahead, Krishna Chaitanya.
Can I go, Mataji?
Yes, yes. I called you. I think my internet
Yeah.
connection is low. I don't know if you all can.
Not ours,
Um,
Mataji. Yeah, our internet connection is saying it's low. That's why I'm not able to hear properly.
Hasini, go after Krishna Chaitanya.
Yes, Hasini, you can go after him. Yes, go ahead, Krishna Chaitanya.
Nutthaya gopyo pararatra bhoge smritva yashoda sudabalakelim gayanti damodara madhaveti.
Very good. Mukund, yes, go ahead, Mukund. Oh, Hasini, I think I told Hasini. Can you wait, Mukund? Sorry.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah, thank you. Hasini,
Mataji,
Mukund.
after Mukund, I can go, no problem.
Okay, you both decide who wants to go first, then go, and then
Hasini.
you quickly decide, and then Sai Vedas will go. Go ahead, who's going? Okay, Hasini,
Then I'll go, Mataji.
go ahead.
उत्थाय गोप्यो पररात्र भोगे स्मृत्वा